I would like to address the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority. I'm not interested in this collector who is sounding like a recording machine. What I'm saying is this. I have been here now, I'm a senior citizen, I've been here for 3 hours. And there is no prospect of this thing going ahead. And Aruna and Kashinath Jalmi have raised very serious issues. We have also raised them. One is the member secretary will have to take a call on this. Whether you cannot just sit there quiet and not do anything. You will have to ring up your chairman and take a decision on this. And these are the points I'm putting up. Number one, you have given a notice in the newspapers, which is the notice for this meeting on the 30th of January. It has come in all the papers. Is this correct, sir? In that notice, the last line, you have very clearly mentioned that all people who cannot register in any other way, registration will be taken at the venue till 11 o'clock.
Correct.
11 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
Which is not.
Now, you are not followed this notification in that sense, and therefore what you have done, you have violated your own notification, and therefore this hearing cannot stand. Because you have violated the rights which you have given people. You have said that I will listen to you and you can come and register at till 11 o'clock in the morning. That right you have taken away from them. When I asked Mr. Collector, he said, no, we have changed it. I do not know how you can change something in law by just saying I have changed it. You have to issue a notification. There is one point. Number two, you could not have given us 30 days notice, because there also you have not given 30 days, you have given 28 days. But you should have given the proper notice of 60 days, which is required under the Environment Protection Act. Because this is not being conducted under EI notification, this is being conducted under CRZ. CRZ very specifically says that you will conduct it as per EPA. So that you have not done. So that again, it's a total violation. You should not have called people here. Then of course the change of venue. Now it is highly irresponsible for you to notify a venue without checking with the venue whether that venue was available or not. Today there is some wedding taking place, so they have thrown you out. Which means Government of India is not considered anything anymore, because even for a wedding they can throw you out. But basically, you could not have issued a notice unless you had a parcha with you that you had booked the hall and you had paid the money. If you have done this without checking, and now this entire mandal had to change from there to here, again, it was your duty to provide, because you have changed your notice fundamentally. There was no way you could have done this. Now, please note that we have all spent now 3 hours, because CZLP is a very important issue for Goa. And everybody has to be heard. So your fourth violation is this 5-minute nonsense. There is no 5 minute given in EI notification or CRZ notification or rules. This is a hearing. You have to conduct it as a proper hearing. It is good that you people have remained quiet, because you have to hear what people have to say from the audience. You have to take down whatever is said, and you see, take a group like ours, which has been involved in CRZ work for the last 35 years. Now, we have a lot to say. I'm not going to say it today, because we have all taken a decision that this hearing is not product. But we have got a lot to say on CRZ, on every plan. We have had to go through 254 plans, 16 big plans. They have been given as per grid, not properly like in the earlier 2018. At least you did a better job, because you gave the villages integrated in one plan. Now we have to go, for people like us, we will get neck damage, because we have to open this file, then go back, open this file, because to see that they are continuous. And this is an objection which the GCZMA itself, not GCZMA, DST, when they were preparing the plan, they raised with NCSM. Please don't give the grid map to us in grid format. But the NCSM has given it to you grid format. You threatened to take out 10 lakhs from them, but they said. So it's a very important issue for all the people, including the police and including everybody in this hall. CRZ is important. We all want something to say. Even an ordinary fisherman he wants to complain that he cannot mend his fishing nets anymore because there are all boats and all going up and down, because of some other industry. So everybody wants to be heard in it. The law says that you have to hear everybody. The law says that. It is not your law, it is the law of the country that you have got to hear. Now, what you have done, what injustice you have done to us, you should please recognize. Because of you, this coastal zone management plan will have to be adjourned, expensive process, more advertisements will have to be, but more important is a large number of people are kept outside the gates, standing without chairs in the sun, arguing with the police as though this is a public hearing for the police force. They have been outside of the gates and you people have not even had the courtesy to go there and tell the police, let them come inside, whatever the thing is, let them come at least and sit in the hall. Because the public hearing is not only you listening to us, it's also what the public is listening. The public is also being educated during a public hearing about all the issues. You may know about some issues about your village, but not of some other village somewhere else. So public is also part of the whole process. They will all have to sit in the hall. This hall should have been full, but you have physically prevented people from having it full. And that is something which I find difficult to accept. And this is the responsibility only of GC ZMA cannot say, I have asked the police to control the gate. The police has got nothing to do with controlling the gates. This is a public hearing. You should have had 2 or 3 staff there who would have immediately said, yes sir, you have come, please go immediately, you are old, go immediately right now, go inside, no problem. They will just check you for weapons and for bombs and whatever, but that's what they're always worried about. But you can go, please go inside, and when the hall is full, you could have said, the hall is full, we cannot allow any bit more, only when people go, we will allow some more people to come inside. That is a reasonable thing to do, sir. Reasonable. Now, unnecessarily, you have caused us a lot of pain and distress. Lot of pain and distress. You are not willing to take decisions to abandon this hearing because I am now, after having said my piece, I am retiring. I cannot stay here for 6 hours. I have better things to do than to sit in a hall where there is a lot of opposition and so on. Very welcome opposition. I am not saying that it is not very welcome opposition, and I also support that opposition in many ways because this is not the way to do things. So please, it is my sincere request also on behalf of the Goa Foundation and on behalf of all these people that you abandon the public hearing. Please, Member Secretary, please call up your chairman, take a decision today, because if you do not, there will be other consequences to take place. But these consequences you will not have to pay any costs of all these people having come here in 3 hours, wasted their time, people outside the gate having to stand there. All this human suffering, sir, is not justified. And it's a responsibility of GCZMA. It is not a responsibility of the collector. He's a very new chap. We can see that he is very young. He doesn't know how to conduct a meeting, so he goes on blabbering every 5 minutes. But there is no reason why this is your plan, you should have approved this plan before it was sent for public hearing. That was your fundamental mistake. It is given in the law that the moment the SCSCM gives you the plan, the GCZMA will appraise the plan. Then put it for consultations. Now what did you do? You did not appraise the plan. You got it from NCSCM in January first week and you had a meeting and you approved for it being put up on the net without even examining anything. So the result is, these people have come. Because if you had examined, sir, if you had examined the plan, you would have removed all the errors on your own, then people would have come for a public hearing to thank you and the whole thing would have been finished in 5 minutes. But because you didn't do your job properly, the authority didn't study the plans and did not take a reasoned decision on the plan, that is why everybody had to come. That is why I require 3 hours. I am not taking 5 minutes. You please be ready for 3 hours if you are going to carry on with this plan. I got note for 3 hours of the public hearing for all the work that we have done for 30 years and for all the work they have done on 254 plans, plus all your plans, everything. And I want to bring it out and you have to see, because this plan will remain for another 20 years. And it will guide the destiny of Goa for 80% of people are living in a coastal area. That is why the plan is so important for all of them. You can't watch it up. You have to do it well.
Member
So-
secretary must resign.
I am not interested whether the member secretary resigns or they will put somebody else who will also do the same things. No, the thing is whether we can remedy what has happened. We want the plan. The whole of Goa wants the plan. We want a good plan which will protect Goa for at least to hand over to our children. That plan has to be there. The beaches must be there. The mangroves, all that must be there. So I don't want to go into these issues because tomorrow they'll say, not otherwise, participate in a public hearing. I am categorically saying for the record that I am not participating in this public hearing. I am only come here because I am hungry. And I have to go and eat something. And I cannot be expected to stay here for 6 hours because the coastal authority has done a bad job in conducting this public hearing.
True.
And therefore, let them take a decision. But after I finish, I am taking my bag. Thank you very much, sir, for this opportunity. I am taking my bag and I am going home.
We should all